Hello, welcome to Finance 101. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin without using Binance as Canadians. Because if you have heard the news, you will know that Binance is no longer going to be working for Canadians because of, I guess, the government and them, Binance not wanting to regulate their site for the government to get some taxes or whatever it is. So if you want to buy Dogecoin and you can buy a Binance, I'm going to show you how to buy it on Wealthsimple on the crypto session. So as you can see right now, I'm in my account and I am on the crypto side here and I got $57.08 to buy Dogecoin now. So when you're in your crypto account, all you just do is scroll up and you're gonna see all the list over here of what you can buy. So you got about 15 different cryptos you can buy on here. So if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see what you can buy. And as you can see, Dogecoin is right here. So all you do is you click on Dogecoin and you go to buy. And when you press buy, you can type in whatever amount that you want to buy and it will tell you the price up here. Or you can just press max of whatever you have. So I have $57.08. So if I press max, I'm gonna own 178.375 for Dogecoin. So that's what you have to do here, and you go to continue. When you continue, it's gonna tell you that how much you're gonna be estimated. Over here is 180, and estimated Dogecoin buy price is gonna be around 32 cents. So basically, if I confirm my order now, I'm gonna end up with 180 Dogecoin. So if I come here and I go to confirm, and just like that, you already bought Dogecoin, and it's pretty simple to use the site, as simple as you can see. So it's an order completed, purchase of $157.08 worth of Dogecoin. So what I want to do is just down here say you can earn to trade, but that's if you refer someone else to come in. They'll pay you a commission for referring somebody, and the person also receives something. So we're gonna go maybe later on the bottom here, and if I come down here, you're gonna see that Dogecoin is highlighted up here. So that's what I own. So if I click on it now and I go inside, it will tell me how much I own. So 180 shares over here. That's $56. And right away saying that I'm down $1.08. But I'm not really down. The reason why it's showing that I'm down was when I was buying, it charged me 32 cents, even though it's 31, I guess. But Wealthsimple does not charge you for when you trade, so I think that's just them putting that penny on top to make $1 out of it, because you don't pay no fee when you use this platform. That's why it looked like I already lost money, but it would have been the same way. It only works like this for crypto. If you buy like regular stocks, If you buy US, then I guess they kind of put like a little point one or point something on top of the exchange rate. But if you buy Canadian stock, you don't pay anything at all, because if you're buying for a dollar, you're already in Canadian currency, so you're gonna buy for exactly a dollar, so you don't pay anything. So that is just how they make their money. And also, I think if something was, say, you put in, you can't put in a limit order in crypto, but the regular stock you could. So if I were to put in a limit order for a dollar, I think they will probably wait until it drop down to like 99 cents, and they'll buy it for me for a dollar, just so they make something. They're gonna find a way. I guess they have to pay all their bills and stuff, so they're gonna find a way to make their money. But it's a platform where you don't pay anything for when you trade. So that's it for the video. This is how simple you can buy Dogecoin on Wealthsimple. Like you saw me do it. It didn't take me that long. It's very simple. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.